Hello everyone, welcome to Maneuver. So welcome to Maneuver GK and Current Affairs series guys. So today we will discuss about the Olympic and you will get the continue this type of the video for your current affairs and static GK preparations. So if you are preparing for the different exam, for example TIS, Law City 3 years, 5 years and MS Law City B.Ed and Hotel Management and different MBA exams. So guys, this video will be very helpful for you and from the Olympic it's a must question will come in your exam. So just watch the video carefully. As you are planning to prepare for these all the entrance exams in a depth, so Maneuver has started the batches, so you can inquire about the batches, number is given. And one more important thing guys, so just fill the form which is given in the description and appear the quiz. So whatever the things which I will discuss in the video, so जो भी video में मैं discuss करूंगा उससे relate करके I will frame the some questions. So you have to appear it and evaluate yourself. So in this way you can understand your IQ level guys. So don't forget to appear this quiz. This is a very important. Now come to the topic. So guys, as we know the questions will frame in your exam in a both way, static point of view and current affairs point of view. So Olympic which is held this year in 2021. So यहाँ से दोनों way में question frame हो सकता है as per the static oriented, as per the current affairs oriented. So first we will start from the static point of view. So here is some historical point related to the Olympics. So in ancient, first it's started 776 BC and modern Olympic started in 1896. Basically in ancient time it is started to honor the Greece god Zeus. So एक historical point है, just year remember रखो, इतना ही यहाँ से important हो सकता है. And from the modern Olympics it's started in Athens 1896, which is a very important, बहुत बार exams में आया. So ऐसे important point को only I will discuss here and see the next point is which is started by the Boren Perrier de Coubertin. So he is known as a father of the modern Olympic guys. 6 April 1896 को ये first time start हुआ है. This is the important point and who started the modern Olympic? Just remember Perrier de Coubertin. Okay, he is the father of the modern Olympic. Now come to the logo. Olympic का जो logo है 5 ring. So everybody know about this 5 ring. So what is the meaning of exactly? So here is the one definition. Olympic symbol comprises the 5 ring linked together to represent the sport friendship among the country. And what this 5 ring denote or what this 5 rings meanings? 5 continent, Europe, Africa, America, Asia and Australia. This is the meaning of this 5 ring. Okay, one more static information as per the Olympic committee and Olympic game point of view. So it's headquarter, as we know headquarters related question एक आता है and who is the president, it means who is the head of particular organization. Okay, so Lausanne, Switzerland में इसका headquarter है and who is the current president is the Thomas Bach. Okay, just remember these two static information is also highly expected for the exam. Now come to the next point. Olympic sports contested is the Summer Olympic game and Winter Olympic game. So summer and winter होता है. For example, every 4 years के difference पे होता है ये. And इस year जो 2020 schedule था because of the pandemic it's held in 2021. But before that it was 26 जो कि Rio Olympic था. उसके पहले 2012 which was London Olympic. उसके पहले था 2008 which was Beijing Olympic. Okay, so ऐसे ही 4 year के difference पे होता है and in this 4 year के difference पे between these two मतलब after the 2 years after the Summer Olympic जो next 2 year के बाद Winter Olympics होता है. For example, if the Summer Olympic was held in 2008, so Winter Olympic was held 2010, 2014, 2018. ये जो 2018 का था इससे भी बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन आए थे. ये it was held in Pyeongchang, South Korea. ओके अभी नेक्स्ट जो ओलंपिक शेड्यूल है 2022 का इट्स शेड्यूल इन बीजिंग. ओके जो विंटर ओलंपिक होगा. ओके सो ये सम थोड़े से इंफॉर्मेशन है रिलेटेड टू द समर ओलंपिक एंड विंटर ओलंपिक्स. एंड इंग्लिश एंड फ्रेंच इज ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज ऑफ द इंटरनेशनल ओलंपिक कमेटी का. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड फ्रॉम द इंडिया के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से जो इंडिया का पार्टिसिपेशन रहा है इन ओलंपिक. सो इंडिया फर्स्ट पार्टिसिपेटेड एट द ओलंपिक गेम 1900 विद द एलोन athlete Norm Pichard winning the 2 medal, both silver in athlete become the first Asian nation to win the Olympic medal. So this is the one static information and the nation first sent the team in Summer Olympic 1920 and has participated every summer game since then. And India has also competed the several Winter Olympic game beginning in 1964. And India athlete have owned the 35 medal all the summer game and for period of the time basically it's related to the India hockey team. So team यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो मेंस field hockey team win the dominated in the Olympic committee, winning the 11 medal 12 Olympic between the 1928 to 1980. So इंडिया का एक dominating field था. आपने हिटलर वाली स्टोरी सुनी होगी मेजर ध्यानचंद से जो रिलेट करके है. ओके, सो कभी उस पर भी डिटेल में डिस्कस करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज अ इंपॉर्टेंट रिसेंट ओलंपिक जो इंडिया का रिसेंट अचीवमेंट है. सो इट्स ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. 2008 का जो ओलंपिक है, अभिनव बिंद्रा इंडिविजुअल कैटेगरी में फर्स्ट गोल्ड मेडल है इनका. ओके, सो एक रिकॉर्ड था इनका इंडिविजुअल कैटेगरी में. सो 10 मीटर एयर राइफल इवेंट अभी जो रिसेंटली नीरज चोपड़ा ने बनाया उनका भी इंडिविजुअल रिकॉर्ड है. सो अभी तक इसके पहले अभिनव बिंद्रा के नाम से ही था, विच वॉज इन शूटिंग फील्ड. बीजिंग ओलंपिक में गोल्ड मेडल ओन किया था. एंड इन 2008 बीजिंग ओलंपिक में वन मोर मेडल वॉज देयर. विजेंद्र सिंह गॉट द कंट्री फर्स्ट मेडल इन द बॉक्सिंग विद हिज ब्रॉन्ज मेडल in the middleweight category. So 2 medal was in 2008. Okay, and after that 2012 जो लंदन ओलंपिक था वहां पे कौन कौन से मेडलिस्ट थे इंडिया के. So this is also very important. Total 83 members एथलीट के जो इंडिया के थे उन्होंने पार्टिसिपेट किया था. So रेसलर सुशील कुमार बिकम द फर्स्ट इंडियन विद द मल्टीपल इंडिविजुअल मेडल, ओलंपिक मेडल. ब्रॉन्ज मेडल इन्होंने विन किया था 2008 में समर ओलंपिक में. Okay, and 2012 Summer Olympics since independence. So he was the first multi इंडिविजुअल ओलंपिक मेडलिस्ट इंडिया के थे जिन्होंने 2 मेडल विन किया था. आफ्टर दिस साइना नेहवाल ओन द ब्रॉन्ज मेडल इन द बैडमिंटन and women single getting the country first Olympic medal in the badminton. So Saina Nehwal and Mary Kom become the first Indian women to own the medal in the boxing. Okay, so medal in the women's फ्लाइट डिवीजन. सो दिस वाज द बेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस टिल ओवरटेकन 2020 पहले का ये सबसे बेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस था इंडिया का. एंड आफ्टर दैट 2016 व्हिच वाज द रियो ओलंपिक ब्राजील में जो हुआ था, अ रिकॉर्ड नंबर ऑफ एथलीट 118 एथलीट पार्टिसिपेटेड इन इट. Okay, and only 2 medal was there. Sakshi Malik become the first Indian women wrestler to win an Olympic medal with her bronze medal. And women freestyle 58 category, and the shutler PV Sindhu become the first Indian woman to win the silver medal in the Olympic and also youngest Indian Olympic medalist. So 2016 का थोड़ा सा ये भी अपडेट रखो, सम टाइम प्रीवियस ईयर से भी क्वेश्चंस आ जाते हैं बिकॉज न्यू थिंग्स से तो सब अपडेट होते हैं, बस सम टाइम प्रीवियस से भी क्वेश्चन फ्रेम हो जाते हैं. नाउ कम टू द 2020 पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. सो 2020 ओलंपिक समर इट वाज हेल्ड इन 2021 as I told you, and 117 Indian athlete participated in it. So this is the important data, and 7 medal out of this 7, 1 gold, 2 silver. I will show you the image wise and the name of the player, and 4 bronze medal guys. So ये data is important है. Simple सा question आ जाएगा, how many bronze medal owned by the India in this Tokyo Olympic. Okay, so Bajrang Punia was the designated the flag bearer of India in the closing ceremony with the boxing great Mary Kom. मेंस में जो है हॉकी टीम के कैप्टन मनप्रीत सिंह being the India flag bearer in the opening ceremony. So flag bearer name is also important. नोट करके रख लो, रिमेंबर कर लो, once or twice रीड कर लो, यहीं से क्वेश्चन आएगा. उस आफ्टर दैट शूटर अवनी लेकारे विल बी द फ्लैग बेरर ऑफ द कंट्री contingent during the closing ceremony of the Tokyo Olympics. So para Olympics से भी ये informations important है. Okay, now come to the who is the medalist and कौन सा medal win किया है, and these all are the our hero. So Neeraj Chopra won the gold medal in the javelin throw. Everybody know, I hope know. So Ravi Kumar Dahiya, he is also on the 57 category wrestling. This is important guys. He is related to which field? यहीं से question आएगा. रवि कुमार दाहिया, सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन है, रिलेटेड टू द विच स्पोर्ट्स. ओके, गोल्ड मेडल, सिल्वर मेडल ये सब नहीं पूछेगा, सिंपल सा यही क्वेश्चन पूछेगा. ओके, मीरा भाई चानू, सी इज रिलेटेड टू द वेट लिफ्टर. सी इज अ वेरी वेल नोन वेट लिफ्टर एंड ऑन द सिल्वर मेडल. Okay, and the next one is a PV Sindhu. PV Sindhu won the bronze medal. Lavlina Borgehan, and she also won the bronze medal. India hockey team bronze medal, and Bajrang Punia. Okay, इनका image नहीं है, don't worry. I hope you people know. So Bajrang Punia, he also won the bronze medal. So these all are the 7 people won the medal in this year Summer Olympic. And after that there is some information related to the Para Olympic. This is also very important. यहाँ से भी player and sports से relate करके question frame हो सकता है. तो first one is a women's category में 10 meter air rifle standing the Avni Lekare on the gold medal. Very important, simple सा question पूछ लेगा. He sees related to which sports, shooter है, wrestler है, weightlifter है, and what is this? And F64 javelin throw Sumita Antil, and badminton men single Pramod Bhagat, and mixed 50-meter air pistol, Manish Narwal. At least whatever the gold medalists guys, जो भी gold medalist हैं, यहाँ पे सारे मैंने name दिया है. You can pause the video and read. So at least from the Paralympic, जो भी gold medalist हैं, उनसे आप aware रहो. Pause the video, read one by one. What are the name of the person and related to the which sports? Just remember to each one. Okay. So for example, निशांत कुमार on the silver in a high jump. So काफी इनका भी motivational video है, आप देख सकते हो. Okay, so these all are the medalists from the Paralympics. So important है. So total 19 medalists है from the Paralympic. So मैं hide कर देता हूँ for the moment के लिए. So at least you can pause the video and read if you want. Okay. So these all are the personality from the Olympic. Okay guys, so that's it from the Olympic, and this is the most important for the upcoming exam. So if you are going to appear or for the planning for the next year, so these data will be very important because Olympic is a very important and hot topic. So continue if you want to get the update related to the GK and current affairs, this type of the information. So don't forget to subscribe our channel. So continue, we will update regarding the current affairs and static GK, which is important for your exams, and you can follow us on a Facebook, Instagram and Telegram. And for any courses, any inquiry, any if you have doubt anything, so you can call on this number, otherwise you can visit on our website guys. Okay, so study, prepare and practice. This is the way you can get the success. See you in next session. Thank you.